Hi, my name is Diksha. Welcome to my home. We're going to be transforming my terrace room by participating in the Vaaree Mystery Box challenge, and I'm really excited to get started on this. So let's go. So all my boxes from Vaaree are here and I'm super excited to open them. I am so excited. A gorgeous clock. It's a lamp. I'm out and out a warm lighting person and I don't have tube lights in my house. So this is something I really appreciate and love. It's a nice wooden stool. We have some art pieces here because why not? Any room is incomplete with some beautiful wall decor that I would love to style on this wall, and that's a camera, a vintage camera. Here's what looks like it's going to be my favorite part of the whole package. It's an ottoman and I love ottomans. That's the vibe I'm looking for and I think I'm totally getting it. Look at this gorgeous ottoman. I love the print. I also have these planters. This is a woven planter. We have some gorgeous jute type cushion covers. We have some organizers because God knows I need to put my life in some order. Curtains. Desperately in need of these because these look like they would keep out the sun for when I don't need the sun. And my current curtains, while beautiful, don't allow for any darkness in the room at all. A rug, a bedside rug. So cute. Now let's put these boxes away and get to the real deal. Let's start styling the room. I'll bring in the ottomans here. So we have this artificial plant here, way more easier to handle, especially when you're gone for long distances, long periods of time. I figured why not, which is why this is a very realistic plant and hopefully this will be too. मेरे room की शोभा बढ़ा देंगे ये. Time to change the drapes and get a more neutral color on. No room of mine is complete without some good books, and so here's some good books going into this organizer of mine. So whenever I'm up here and I feel like a good read, I can reach out to these. Then we have this vase with a couple of cherry blossoms. I think this rug belongs here. I'm going to place it here and hope that it looks nice. And finally we get to the bed. It's been tiring, I'm not gonna lie, but also very, very rewarding because I love how my room's already looking. Oh, thak gaye bro. So this was my big plan with the organizer. I have all my snacks handy, my munchies, all the cookies I need, all my chocolates, all the chips and everything, and now I'm going to reap the benefits of all my hard work, and we're going to sit and watch some Netflix. Okay, now I'm going to enjoy my movie in peace, so bye.
Sorry, yeah. Let me